Hi, my name is Trish. I am a full-time lifestyle entrepreneur and the founder of leadyourlifestyle.com, a life of freedom and choice. Today I want to share with you 4 tips that have accelerated my YouTube journey and helped me to build a YouTube channel. What I'm going to do is work backwards, and number 1 obviously is the most important tip that I can share with you today. So you have to listen through to the end and I will share with you the top tip. But number 4 is all about consistency. It is all about being very consistent with your YouTube channel, whether it be to tweak or to change or to modify or to update. It's really important to make sure that it's part of your daily routine, and that's one of the most important things of building a YouTube channel. Tip number 3 is frequency. It's all about posting either every day, every second day, maybe 3 times a week. And whatever it is that you decide to commit to, you must stay committed to delivering frequent content, and it must be frequent. So if you commit to say 3 times per week to upload that video, you can always put that into your YouTube channel header. You can advertise that fact, because then once you start getting fans or getting followers or getting subscribers, they're going to be relying on you sending that information out every 3rd day, every 2nd day, or even every day, which I do. So frequency is very, very important. Also, it gets you into the habit, it gets you into the routine, and it can be planned into your schedule, which is another very important thing when you're planning out your social media marketing. It's very important to have a schedule and to make sure that's all part of the plan. Otherwise, you get sidetracked and waylaid, and then nothing gets posted through procrastination. The second tip is what I call TTD, and that's your title, your thumbnail, and your description. So your title, it's making sure that it's completely relevant to your target audience. And you can always go searching for those keywords that are the most relevant for people that are actually typing in, they're searching for something. What is it that they're searching for? Now, we know YouTube is a search engine, and so people will go to YouTube for that how-to video or that why video, and you're going to be that video that pops up as an answer or a solution to that question. So it's very important to keep in mind the questions that you're asking or that people are asking, and make that as part of your title. And you can sort of make it into sort of 2 sections if you like. You can have that keyword at the front end, and you can add your little theme to that video on the back end. But very important to include keywords, and then also within your description to include those keywords as well. Now, there's a great tool that or Chrome extension that I use, and that's Keyword Everywhere. And what it does do is it allows you to go into YouTube, start typing in your question, and then it will fill the rest of it for you and give you a lot of different options. But it will also give you how many searches per month there are with that particular keyword. So it's going to give you some great research for you to then fill in your title and also complete your description as well in that video. And the final thing is the thumbnail. The thumbnail is crucial. As I advance my YouTube journey, I'm advancing my thumbnails and making them a little more attractive and a little more eye-catching, and making them bold so that people can see them straight away. And I think it has to be very visual on a phone as well, because we're going more and more mobile, and so as people scroll through their phone, you want them to be able to, you know, catch their eye with that particular thumbnail. So 3 very important things as far as step 2 goes that you must complete for your YouTube videos. And finally, number 1 is content and research, making sure that every single day you're researching and you're looking around, you have this level of awareness for the type of content that you want to deliver. I think that's really key. And I think the other thing is to have a notebook or a notepad that every time an idea that comes into your head, to write that idea down. And be ahead of yourself with 10, 20, 30 video ideas, so that when you come to that day where you have nothing, then you just open up that book of ideas and you have everything there for you to be able to deliver great content. So they're my 4 tips. Number 1 is research. Number 2 is title. thumbnail and description. Number 3 is frequency, and number 4 is consistency. The 4 tips to get you off and running with your YouTube channel. Trish, leadyourlifestyle.com, and if you like this video, press that subscribe button and you will receive daily updates from me on lifestyle and health and wealth. Bye everyone.